The Secret of the Hummingbird's Song. Once upon a time, in a land that was slowly fading away, a magical hummingbird named Harmonia enchanted the world with her song. The once colorful land had become a lifeless gray, and the animals who lived there were filled with despair. However, hope was not entirely lost, as Harmonia's music held the power to restore life and color to this dying realm. In a quiet corner of the land, beneath the towering branches of a withered oak tree, a wise old tortoise named Terence called a secret gathering of the forest's creatures. From the small, clever squirrel named Selena to the big-hearted elephant named Eloise, animals of all shapes and sizes gathered around to discuss the importance of Harmonia's song. As the animals spoke in hushed tones, Terence began to explain the gravity of their situation. He told the assembly that the land was dying because a malicious sorcerer named Xander had cast a terrible curse upon it, draining away all life and vibrancy. The only hope to save their home was the melody of the magical hummingbird. Terence revealed to the animals that Harmonia's song had been a guarded secret passed down through generations of hummingbirds. But now, with the land in peril, it was time for the secret to be shared with the creatures who called this place home. He explained that in order to ensure her safety, they would need to work together to build a secret sanctuary where Harmonia could sing in peace. Thus, they would save their world and prevent the evil sorcerer Xander from capturing Harmonia's power for his wicked purposes. The animals were filled with hope and determination as they set to work on their sanctuary. Eloise the elephant used her incredible strength to uproot dead trees, clearing space for the hidden haven. Meanwhile, Selena the squirrel led a team of animals in weaving together a dense canopy to shield Harmonia from view. Terence, the wise old tortoise, carefully plotted the path to the sanctuary, ensuring that it was full of twists and turns to confuse anyone who sought to enter without permission. However, Xander, the evil sorcerer, caught wind of the animals' plans. He sent a sly, cunning fox named Felix to infiltrate their ranks and discover the location of the hidden sanctuary. With the sanctuary now in danger, the animals knew they must act quickly to protect Harmonia and her song. Selena the squirrel challenged Felix, darting around him in a dizzying display of agility, while Terence the tortoise guided Harmonia to safety. Felix, realizing that he was outnumbered and outmatched, decided to flee back to Xander with the information he had gathered. However, he was met with a surprise when he discovered that Harmonia had left a trail of color behind her, painting the path with vibrant hues that were impossible for Xander to follow. In a last-ditch effort to save their home, the animals banded together, using their unique abilities to protect the sanctuary from Xander and his malevolent intentions. Eloise the elephant dug a deep trench around the haven, which Terence the tortoise filled with water, creating a moat that kept the sorcerer at bay. And then, as the animals held their breath in anticipation, Harmonia began to sing. Her enchanting melody filled the air, and the once lifeless land began to blossom with new life. Trees sprouted fresh leaves, flowers bloomed, and the animals felt the warmth of hope fill their hearts once more. Xander, unable to withstand the power of Harmonia's song, was forced to retreat. He vanished into the distance, and his dark influence on the land began to dissipate. The curse was lifted, and the magical hummingbird's melody continued to spread life and color throughout the realm. As the days went by, the animals worked tirelessly to repair the damage caused by Xander's curse. Eloise and her fellow elephants helped to plant new trees, while Selena and her squirrel companions spread seeds far and wide. Terence, the wise tortoise, oversaw the efforts, offering guidance and wisdom as the animals restored their home. Harmonia, now safely residing in her hidden sanctuary, sang her song every day. The melody resonated throughout the land, maintaining the vibrant colors and nurturing the new life that had taken root. The animals worked in harmony with one another, ensuring that their beautiful, restored world would be protected from any future threats. Throughout the years, the story of Harmonia and the animals who saved their land was passed down from generation to generation. It became a legend, reminding the creatures of the power that resided within them when they united as one. As they continued to flourish, they never forgot the importance of the hummingbird's song, and they guarded the secret of the sanctuary with the utmost care. Together, the animals of the land lived in peace and happiness, knowing that they had triumphed over darkness and adversity. Their world, once withering and desolate, had been reborn, and the power of Harmonia's song would continue to be a beacon of hope for generations to come.